reputation. We have a team of 15 people who do that, and they are getting better and better each day. So they come to the restaurant, and we create that atmosphere and that environment where people can feel comfortable and at ease and can date. And the thing about the program of Thursday, of course, about love, and it's about people finding that romantic link with each other, but really and truly it's about people. It's fascinating to watch because it really is about all of us, and that's what people like.
In search of the Holy Grail is 25-year-old businessman Charlie.
How are you? Hi, good. How are you? That's very good, thank you. You look so young. Thank you. I wish I could look as young as you still. You don't no, but not quite this young.
Right now, this thing is filmed at the Paternoster Chop House in London, and at the end of the day, the couples are asked if they would like to see each other again. So it's kind of a blind datey type thing. But how did you get to do this extra bit of work? You know, this advice and interviewing them and throwing them together.
I was working with one of the director of service about 6 years ago, and it's sort of, to be the perfect guy for the job. And I was not really keen, to do it in the first place because I didn't know the team. But when I got to meet the producers, and the directors there, I realized that their intention was so pure and so true, and I had no option but to say yes.
But also they're making an entertaining television program.
Yeah, I mean, look, people sometimes say, oh, Frank, we love your show, but it's really a collective success and achievement, and this is what I'm the most proud of. When we shoot, we had about 300 people at the shoot, in total. This is how many people work on it, and I'm just a small part of it. It's just like a Monet painting. There are many flowers, and maybe just one of them, but there are so many others.
You're on screen. You are the leading man in all of this. You are the first port of call for the people when they come to
and place to be there. That's how I feel.
But you must make judgments when you see people walking up to the restaurant, and you must think that's going to work or that's not going to work. Are you usually right or?
We've got all that on camera here. Listen, mate. You fucking undercut me straight in front of me.
I know you do. Yeah, it's the same conversation with the story. You lied to all your friends, say you ain't coming through. This town turns upside down and they only be with me and you. To die, your plane going. Shadow dancing on the bedroom walls. Ain't nobody do it like you.
What are you doing, you fucking dumbass? Are you to assume when he told that story, that's just naturally, yeah, of course he got murdered. I'm more shocked by the people who don't get murdered. I just assume that everybody's going to get killed. Let's go to Amandina in Arlington. Amandina, you're on News Talk 820 and 93.3 FM WBAT. With Casey, go ahead.
Well, yes, I have a deafening analogy.
you.